Good morning Standard 8 students. In my last video, I have taught you how to rearrange the sentences. In that video, I have used some simple sentences. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how to rearrange the sentences when the sentences are little bit difficult. So, let's start. Now dear students, you can see I have written 4 sentences for you. And these sentences are little bit difficult sentences. And you have to rearrange these sentences in a proper sequence. Now you see the first sentence. I suggested that Ford should buy up a company called NCP which owned most of the car parks in the city centers throughout the UK. After that, second sentence is that we were discussing competing in the European market. Third sentence, if NCP become a Ford company, a notice could be placed at the entrance to all city centers car parks indicating that only Ford cars could use them. And you see the last sentence. At one time I was giving a seminar for the British marketing department of Ford, the biggest Ford operation outside of Detroit. You see, 4 sentences are little bit tough. How you have to rearrange these sentences? Very easily. You see, first sentence I suggested, it cannot be the first sentence. We were discussing, it also cannot be the first sentence because something has happened after that discussion is going on. So if NCP become a Ford company, it also cannot be the first sentence. Now let's come to the fourth sentence. At one time I was giving a seminar for the British marketing department of Ford, the biggest Ford operation outside of Detroit. Yes, so this will be the first sentence, means something is going to be said. So this will be the first sentence. After that, what will be the sentence? I suggested that Ford should. No, we were discussing, because here the seminar is giving and on what basis the seminar is going on. So we were discussing competing in the European market. So here it will be the second. So this will be the first sentence. Then it will be the second sentence. If NCP become a Ford company. No, it cannot be the third sentence. I suggested, yes, in the discussion, what I have told. I have suggested that Ford should buy up a company called NCP. So this will become the third sentence. Then the last sentence is that if NCP become a Ford company, then it will become as a fourth sentence. So fourth will, the first will be fourth one, second will be here, third will be here, and fourth will be here. You see, I have arranged the sentences in a proper sequence. I hope you have understood how to rearrange the sentences. Again I am telling you, you see here some incident is going on. So here this will become the first. After that, what I have told, we are discussing on what basis the seminar is going on. Here the second. Then it will become the third and it will become as the first. So it will become as the last sentence. So you see how I arrange these sentences. I hope you have understood how to rearrange the sentences if the sentences are a little bit difficult. So stay with me for the next video where I am going to teach you more in English literature. And you will learn the course poem of Unit 1B. This is your homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.